Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. I hope you are all having a great day. Today we are going to go over the symptoms of a bad brake booster and how to identify them. First, let's explain, what does a brake booster do? The brake booster is what makes pressing the brake pedal easy and effective. Without it, stopping a 4,000-pound car would take a lot of effort. It uses vacuum pressure to amplify your braking force, allowing you to stop with minimal effort. There are three main types of brake boosters, but today we'll focus on the most common one, the vacuum-assisted brake booster. So let's begin. The first symptoms of a failing brake booster is check engine light is on. A faulty brake booster can develop a vacuum leak, allowing unmetered air to enter the engine. This leads to a lean air-fuel mixture, which may trigger a check engine light, with codes related to a lean condition or random misfires. To check for these codes, you can visit an auto parts store, where they might scan them for free, or you can use an OBD2 scanner. The second symptoms is engine stalls when braking. When you press the brake pedal, atmospheric pressure enters the brake booster. If the diaphragm is torn, extra air sneaks into the engine, throwing off the air-fuel ratio. This can cause rough idling, engine stalling when coming to a stop. The third symptoms is hard brake pedal. If your brake pedal feels unusually hard or requires extra force to press down, your brake booster may not be functioning properly. This happens because there's no vacuum assistance to reduce the effort needed to brake. The fourth symptoms is longer braking distance. With no brake assist, you'll need much more force to stop the car. This results in a longer braking distance, which can be dangerous, especially in emergencies. The fifth symptoms is hissing noise when pressing the brake pedal. A constant hissing noise while pressing the brake pedal indicates a torn diaphragm inside the booster, allowing air to escape. If you hear a hissing sound even when not pressing the brake, the issue could be a faulty plunger seal inside the brake booster. The sixth symptoms is high engine RPM or stalling. A vacuum leak in the booster can also affect engine performance, causing erratic idling, high RPMs, or even stalling when you press the brake. If your brake booster is going bad, don't ignore it. Braking is one of the most important safety features in your car. I hope this guide helped you spot the warning signs early. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.